Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and I'm making a quick little video. This is pretty much the end of the racing season for us. We took the car out last night. Did we meet our goal? I don't know. You have to watch the video and find out. One thing is I was going to make a bunch of changes over the winter to this car, but I kind of like the way it's going. We'll change something and see the result. That gives you guys data, kind of helps give you an idea of which direction to go with your car. So I think what we'll do is just change some stuff on the front suspension and then go from there. But I did want to put this out there to you guys, kind of put it in your head, see what you think. We'll go check these two things out. I'm just kind of put this out there, let this marinate for you. Think about it. I'll probably make a video in a couple days or so. But let's check these two units out right here. So what do you guys think? Some of you guys are pretty smart and think like I do. You probably got the wheels turning the same as me. So just kind of think about it, and I'll make a video in a couple days telling you what I'm kind of thinking. And I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright everybody, we just made our first pass. We went a $6.99 with a 4, a 150 60 footer. We picked up a little bit of mile an hour, 96 miles an hour. I didn't have anybody to film for me, so we only got in-car footage. As you'll tell in the video, we're still picking the driver's side front tire up quite a bit more than the passenger side. I didn't really think we did anything that would resolve that situation. I was wanting to put an airbag back here in the back on the passenger side, but the ones I had were pretty much crap. I grabbed them and one of them broke, so I was like, well, we'll just take it and see what happens. It's definitely hooking a little bit better. It carried the wheels out probably another 20 foot further, so if we can get some of that body roll out of it, I think we'll be in business. We already hit our goal, getting in the 690s for under 6,900 bucks. I think we're in the neighborhood of like 5,700, 5,800 bucks. I really thought we was gonna have to put some nitrous on this motor to do it, but we was able to do it all on motor. And like I say, we're really not that deep into race parts, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna tweak on this unit a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.